Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to image upload in Laravel 11 application. So first of all, let me go my terminal and download Laravel 11 application. Okay, so create project Laravel and demo. Okay, so it will take some time to download Laravel 11 in our application in our system. So yeah, let's wait a moment. Okay, it's download. Let me go to the demo folder and let me clear it. Okay, so first of all, let me go to my Sublime editor and let me add the project. Okay, so let me go to www and video and demo. Okay, so fresh Laravel 11 application is there. Okay, so now let me create one controller first. So let me create image controller. So php artisan mac controller image controller. Okay, now artisan command is run. So let me go to the HTTP controllers and there is a image controller added. Okay, now let me create one route first. Okay, so let me go here and let me use controller app HTTP controllers and image controller. Okay, now let me create one route for get route, and the get route has like image upload, and in that like image controller colon class, and we create the index method. Okay, so inside the image controller we will create the index method. So let me go here and let me create index method. Okay, here let me go, and first of all, when we create the index method we just simply return the view. Okay, so let me go and call image upload blend file. Okay, so we need to just create the image upload view in our resource views directory. So let me create one file, image upload .blend.php. Okay, now let me just simply write html like laravel 11 image upload example. So I will simply add like h1 has like image, sorry, laravel 11 image upload example. Okay, let me run this and step by step we will do that. Okay, so php artisan serve. Okay, and it's running. So let me go here and let me go like image upload. Okay, so let's run the get route. So now let me make it proper design. So I'm going to use bootstrap 5. So I'm going to use the cd and css file. So copy just from the official website and just add it here. Okay, yeah, great. And let me make it simple design. So class container, inside the container there will be hashtag. So let me just simply check here. Yeah, bootstrap 11 is coming. Okay, now we will create a simple form with the file input, so that way when we can choose the image file and then upload it. Okay, so let me create simple form here. So I will make it a little bit a better design. So card, inside the card class card header. So I will go and I will put that title and DAV and card body. Inside the body I will add like form, and method will be post. Okay, and action will be add letter. So let me create here one more div and class mt3, that means margin top 3, and label will be image. Then we will input type file, that means file upload, and image name will be image, and then class will be form control. Okay, then next again we will create the div class mt3, that means top 3. It will, sorry, here we don't have a label, so we just add one button, submit button, and then type will be submit. Okay, now just let me refresh it here. Yeah, it's simple design, and let me add some class here, class btn success. Okay, Yeah, and let me space on the top on the margin, so I will just say empty 5. So empty 5. So let me refresh here. Yeah, you can see now much clear the design. Okay, now let me create one post route so we can define here. Okay, so let me go here and create another route, like route call post route. Okay, so we can submit the file. So image that's upload, and then I will say image controller class, and then store method. I will add the name so we can use easily. Name image dot upload dot store. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let me use this route on action. So here, if I go here and let me define it, route and action. Okay, so now let me refresh it. Okay, and let me simply create one method, store method here, function and store, and we will use request here. So request dollar request, and simply we just print out what we find in the request. Okay, so request all, so all the parameters what we find. Okay, so let me go here and refresh and simply click the submit. Okay, you can see the packs expire, so that means csrf token we need to add here. So let me go here and let me add like csrf token. Okay, so now let me go back, refresh it. Yeah, you can see that image is null and we are getting. Let me choose image. Okay, let me go to download and let me go here and let me choose any image. Yeah, you can see that, but it's only getting the name. So I think we need object. So I think we need to add like enc type, multi-part form data. So that means that form will allow to pass the image object. So let me go here and let me again choose the image. Okay, so let me go here and let me choose one image. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, now we will simply add the validation here. So let me go here and let me add the validation. So request validate method. Inside the validate method we will just simply require like which field image key, and we need required and image and mimes will be png, jpeg, so whatever you want to keep. Okay, and then I will say like max 1 MB only. So 24. Okay, so that's it, and then let me done. Okay, so now let me run the validation and let me add error message here. So like error image key and error. Inside the error we'll create the span like text danger, and we will say like message. Okay, and now let me see and let me refresh it and click on the submit. You can see image is field is required. Okay, so that's great. Okay, now let me go here and let me create the code. Okay, for the image upload. So first of all, image name we will define. So name will be, we just call time. So okay, and then concat with this like request image extension. Okay, extension, so that means like .png and that, and then request image object, and there is a move. Okay, move function. So here we will just pass the path, like we will create the one images folder in public directory. So let me go and let me create one folder. Okay, new folder, images. Okay, so public underscore path, and we will call images. Okay, that's what we created a folder, and that's simply just name image name. Okay, after this we just simply return back with success like image uploaded. Okay, so that's it. So let me try it. Let me refresh it and let me choose the image. Okay, let me go to the download and First of all, we can check the validation. We have a 1.5 MB image, so let me see and start. So you can see file it more than this MB. So let me upload the right image now. Validation is working fine. So let me go here and let me choose one file and click on submit. Yeah, it's returning, but let me see it's uploaded or not. So let me go here, and yeah, image is uploaded, but we don't see like any message or anything. So we already passed the success, but we haven't used here. So simply I will go and simply I will use like a session and like success, and there will be end session. So inside the session we will create like alert success. Inside that we will just call like value, so that means automatic session value will be display. And we also pass the image name, so we can display the uploaded image. So I will call like I will also pass the with image name and image name. Okay, so that means I can use here. So I will say like just image tag img. Okay, I will add like images folder slash session get image name. Okay, and I will define the width, so we don't have a large image or anything, like 40 pixels something, 400 pixel. Okay, that's it. So let me try it now. Okay, let me go to the download, and let me choose one image and submit it. Yeah, you can see that PDF upload, and if you go to the folder you can see that. Perfect. So it's working like this way. Thank you for the watching video, and if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe and support us.